Hi, expats in Korea. I'm Hyunju An, an attorney practicing in Gwangju. I uploaded some videos about Korean Law 101, and today actually I got this newspaper. It's from the Korean Bar Association. It's called the Korean Bar Association News. Today's main coverage was about the legal assistance resources for foreigners. But it's all written in Korean, so I think no one of you might have read this or be accessible to this information. So I thought it would be nice to give you some information about free legal consultation services available in Korea. Okay. First, we have Village Lawyer program for foreigners. I'm one of the volunteers there. It's called 마을 변호사. It's a village lawyer for foreigners. So if you call 1345, it's usually for immigration consultation, but the village lawyer program uses the same phone number. So if you call 1345, you can be directed to community lawyer service or village lawyer services. They will connect you with an interpreter and a lawyer, so it will be more like a 3-person phone conference scheduled for your legal consultation. So I encourage you to call 1345 and use it. I might be designated for your case. That's possible. And another big organization that provide free legal services for public is called the 법률구조공단. In English, it's called Korean Legal Aid Corporation. I'll show you how to visit their website soon. It's klac.or.kr. It's a government-run office, but it's located more than 10 locations in Korea. So you can search for the nearest office, you can visit them, or also you can ask your questions online. So it's easy. And then the one that appears here is the one, I've never used this one before. It's called the migrantlaw.or.kr. migrantlaw.or.kr. It's the legal resources for especially for foreigners. That Korean Legal Aid Corporation is open to Koreans and also to foreigners who have some financial restraints to use legal services. So it doesn't mean that if you have a job you cannot use it. Even though you have a job, if you still struggles, you can go and ask for legal help, and then they'll guide you. And if you earn too much for their criteria, then you might not be eligible, but why not? You can try. And many people is eligible for those services. Yeah. And then this migrantlaw.or.kr, I'll also visit that website and show you how to go there and choose the right venue soon. And another thing is 1366. It's for sexual assault victims and child abuse victims. They don't have like foreign language lines available, but if you can call them, or you can just visit the local police stations and say that you are the victim of sexual assault or child abuse, and your child is a victim of child abuse. They will designate a pro bono lawyer for your case. So you will be assisted by a pro bono lawyer throughout the case, and they may help you to apply for some subsidies that might be available to victims, and they'll provide some legal help for you. I also volunteer as the pro bono lawyer for sexual assault and child abuse cases. I also had foreign clients. But even though I can communicate them with in English, for court purposes or police investigation purposes, there will be a designated interpreter for you. So it will be not difficult for you to communicate with the police or the prosecutor. So I encourage you to make a police report and ask for interpreter or ask for a pro bono lawyer who can speak English. Even though there is no one who speaks English, there will be anyway an interpreter to help you. So let's visit the websites that I was talking about. So let's go and see what we can find here. migrantlaw.or.kr. Here we go. So it's the website. It says it's the online free legal consultation site. If you can read and understand Korean, you can click the button here. If you are unable, if you cannot speak Korean, then you can choose one of these menus down here. So let's say I speak, and this one is open consultation, public consultation. So it means that other people can read your case. It means private consultation, so your privacy will be protected because your consultation will not be disclosed. So the public consultation would be more like simple issues that you can ask without revealing your identity. So I'll go to USA. So now it's in English, so I'll choose private consultation. Then it looks like everything is in Korean, but you can type your questions by asking questions. Then they will interpret your English version questions into Korean for the lawyers to read in language they can understand. And then the Korean lawyers will draft their answers in Korean, and then the interpreter, the translator will translate into English and then post it as an answer to your question. That's how it works. Another thing is, let's go to klac.or.kr. It's the Korean Law Aid Corporation, 한국법률구조공단. I think you can also change the language. So, yep, here you go. Counseling. You can call, internet legal counseling is available. Visitation is also possible. And these are the languages that some volunteers can speak. So you will be assisted with translation services. So this is what we have, and I hope you can find the help you need. Okay, so I'll come back with other topics next time. Thank you. If you like it, please like it and subscribe it. Thanks. Bye.